koutou. Hi, my name is Richard.
And more today, Winton School. I'm Casie. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Ratu, the 3rd of February.
Welcome back and Happy New Year. Hope your 2015 has started well.
We're going to start with the year with Techie Team news. You have a meeting in room 13 with Ms Mynes at interval. Thank you.
A friendly reminder about your HI VIZ vests. Most students wore them to school this morning. Please do likewise.
And hats at playtime and lunchtime too. It's a part of the uniform. Kia ora.
Okay, speaking of playtime and lunchtime, year 5 to 8 students, you are able to play on the field across the road at break times. The rugby posts are up and it's cricket friendly too.
All you have to do is make sure you cross the road safely and at the pedestrian crossing. Have fun.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is manuhiri, which is te reo for visitor.
Are you manuhiri?
Tanga whenua.
If you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, we have one birthday at Winton School today. First day back 2015.
Charlie Hubbard is 9. Happy birthday, Charlie. Have a great day.
Okay, that's a wrap for today from the entire N.E.W.S team. Ka kite a popo.
Haere wa, Winton School.